Hello friends, welcome to my creative, innovative, popular, unique educational channel. To watch more creative videos on DuckDB in-memory database using Python. As we have gone through few videos on DuckDB database, such as bar graph with DuckDB, like data analytics. Then we have seen how DuckDB execute query differently from normal SQL query. Normal SQL database, DuckDB execute query in different manner. I explain it in very nice way. Then we have seen DuckDB with insert, update and delete operation on DuckDB database. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about plotting a graph with DuckDB using Streamlit. We have seen plotting a graph using DuckDB with command prompt. Now we are going to see plotting a graph with DuckDB using Streamlit. Little bit of data analytics. So let us go through the program code. So these are the libraries we need to import. Then connection string, connection to the DuckDB database. Then call.execute in the sense create a table, create a sample table and insert data in it, A, East, West and these things. Then title of sales dashboard. Then query in the sense query the database from the DuckDB database, that is about, and data frame TF, and then figpx.bar, it is used to create a bar chart with plotty, and display the chart in Streamlit, and at the last connection close. Now I will execute the program. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. Sales dashboard. I hope you like this video. These are the products and these are the total amount. So on x-axis product and y-axis total amount. I successfully done with Streamlit with DuckDB using plotting a graph on Streamlit. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Python, machine learning, Streamlit, DuckDB, then MTCNN, if possible Fastnet, if possible DLIB, FAIR, and many more. For latest update about machine learning or database using DuckDB, please watch my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.